Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you why your public profile is not showing on Snapchat and a simple fix. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right. Scroll down to Safety and Privacy, or a similar section depending on your app version, and tap Privacy Center. Make sure your bio is filled in and you've added at least one profile detail. Also, your account must be public. Otherwise, the public profile option won't appear. If it's still missing, close Snapchat and check for updates in the App Store or Google Play Store. Updating to the latest version can fix the issue. Open Snapchat again, go back to your profile, and check if the public profile option appears. If not, go to Settings, then Help Center, then tap Privacy, then Privacy Settings. Search for Public Profile, open the article, and scroll to the bottom. Tap No under Was this helpful? And fill out the form explaining your public profile isn't showing. Snapchat support will contact you by email with instructions or an explanation. And that's it. That's how you fix the public profile not showing on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.